Highly recommend. Upon arrival we were met by a staff member who escorted us to our seats. A complimentary non-alcoholic beverage was served. Jung-soo was our performer/magician and he was fantastic. We selected the English show. Be prepared for an entertaining evening filled with sleight of hand, card manipulation, props, audience participation, illusions and several surprises. Throughout the performance we were pleasantly shocked and intrigued. Book now and enjoy. We visited as a family, with my wife and son, and had an absolutely incredible time. Jung-soo is not just a sleight of hand master but also a fantastic storyteller and host. The one-table setting makes the magic feel even more impossible because you are sitting right there. It was the highlight of our trip to Seoul. Highly recommended for families and groups looking for a unique and magical evening. Bravo!